The Lord has made the heavens his throne. From there he rules over everything. Psalms 103:19.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello. Today I will be showing you guys, I guess, like a unboxing first thoughts and looks on the new diaper bag I ordered. Needed a new diaper bag. I should really go get my diaper bag right now. Hold on a second. I will go get the diaper bag I'm currently using. Alright, so this is not even a diaper bag. I bought this at like TJ Maxx 2 years ago probably, and it's still holding up, but it is just a Steve Madden. The stroller ran over it already, but I like that the book bag because, you know, 2 kids going on, just throw it over your shoulder. It's been a lot, through a lot. It's been with us everywhere, amusement parks, and it does its job, but I kind of don't like that inside it's very hard to find things. You just like open it and you stick your hand in trying to look for what you need. And when you hold it on the back, I don't like how it sits. So I figured it's time for a new one. So I went on Amazon looking for one, and I had two in my cart. One was like 60 something bucks. The other one that I ordered is 35. And I got the cheaper one, obviously, but I now just remembered why it was cheaper, because it's the mini version. Here is my Amazon package. I haven't opened it. I just like picked it out like this. And this is what I see. Now I am really hoping that this is folded 10 times and it is way bigger than it is. But I did look on reviews, and she was like, it was a picture of a girl wearing it and it looked decent sized. But let's open it up. What, like, I don't even know. I always have like snacks and weird things that are not even really needed. Well, the snacks are needed, but then there's like other stuff. But I for sure need some extra clothes. I always forget extra clothes, and right now with the heat and they're sweating, and then I don't want them going all sweaty in the AC, so I need to wear or bring extra clothes. Diapers, wipes, snacks, water bottle, and the changing pad is like the most important thing for me, I think. But so I'm really hoping all that fits in here, because I thought this was super cute. It's like a small size, and I thought Ellie would be able to wear it. That's why I put it in my cart, because I thought I was gonna get it for her and her me the bigger size. But then I wanted to save money and get the cheaper one, and then I didn't notice why it was cheaper. Anyway, this is the Miss Fong. I think that's how you say it. 5 years old boy's mom. A 5-year-old boy's mom. I didn't actually know that, so I guess she is the mother of a 5-year-old, and she made this company. But it's cute. It's a little bag. So I did get the brown one. I am obsessed with brown leather. So here it is. Okay, it was folded up a little bit, but no, it is still small. Oh my gosh, I might have to return this. I have to see what fits in here and how it feels on my back. But yeah, so this is the small mini one that is probably perfect for Ellie. Just says, thank you, Miss Fong, and she has all her Facebook, Instagram stuff as well. So here is a pocket. There's something, here's something. So I guess this could be like phone. That's on 2 sides. It's not that deep. It doesn't connect. It's just 2 pockets. I should probably get like a water bottle or something. But yeah, a water bottle should fit here. There's 2 water bottle sides. And then you could do this. Where's the straps? I think the straps are in here. So there's like a back pocket that you could hold stuff in, and that is where the straps are at. So I guess I will open this up and see if I like how it holds. But first, let's open up the inside. All right, so here is the inside. I've noticed that in their picture they said they had like a gray color in here before, but now it's this color. So this clips, I guess it's to make it more smaller, and it unclips to make it wider to find things easier. I really like it and all, but I just don't know if it's going to fit all my stuff, because look at the difference. There's a difference. So yeah, this is the inside. There is, oh, there's a, what is this called? Insulated or something, where it'll keep it warm, I think, or cold. And then there's a little pocket there. There's two insulated pockets. This is if you want to wear it on your shoulder. Super cute. To be honest, I don't know if I really need a bag to be that big. And then there's a zippered back. So I will go ahead and try to fit everything I need and see how it is, and come back and open this up and show you guys. So this is how it looks. I really like the color. It's a very nice brown with this gold. It looks super cute. But yeah, let's go see if everything fits in here. Okay, so I didn't even put much in here. I just put 3 diapers, which I usually carry more, and the changing pad. And I already feel like it takes up so much space. That change of clothes and stuff and getting into the pockets is going to be absolutely hard. So I think this is super cute for like my daughter Ellie probably. But, or if you just want a small bag to take like very small, important, and essential items, then it'll probably work. But for me, I wanted to I didn't want an additional diaper bag. I wanted to replace this one and just get rid of this one and have a new one that fits everything. So personally, this is going to be returned because it is too small, but I think it is absolutely adorable. So I might go and order the big one, or I'm gonna keep doing more research. So yeah, that sucks, but I am gonna return this. Like I said, if you just need like a small bag, or if you're, I don't even know if school stuff will fit here, but this is absolutely adorable. So I like it, but it is gonna be too small for what I need it to be. So that will be returned, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really disappointed. I was so excited about a new diaper bag, but I'm gonna have to order another one and go and return this one. But yeah, I will link down this diaper bag down below as well with the bigger version if you guys want to check that out. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.